Here's a quick overview of the EWC Content Presenter interface. The application is simplified into a couple different areas. The top panel is where your assets are. That's where you can click on any type of category of objects and elements and then just drag and drop them to your stage. On the left panel, you have the options for your canvas, which is your default slide, where you can modify the color, background, and transparency, and the size of your canvas, depending on how big or large you want it to be, and applying borders. Your slides, and if you're doing the presentation option, you can do and create additional slides as needed. You can also duplicate slides, hide them, and delete them. And every object has a property panel. So if I go to a certain slide and I click on an object, then on the property panel on the left side, I have different options. So from color properties to border options, special effects that apply to that object, and even linkage. So you can actually click on an object and link it to another URL on another website, or create pop-ups and even be able to link through different slides. Your view option allows you to actually create grids or even size of the grid, so you can actually have exact specifications to lay out your elements to an exact area that you want. So in this, what I'm doing is I'm creating a grid. I can change the color of the grid so that I can have it with respect to the design that I wanted to have. And this is really just to give me a platform to be able to lay out my objects and have control over things. And of course, you can come back and turn those things off at any time. And then, of course, the restore is when you save objects at any time, you can actually go back and restore to different old versions. And the help area is for your help items. The animate sections, as far as if you want to dig in deeper and do animations, you have a complete timeline. Your timeline is located here, and what you can do is also use the animation option and also your presets. So every object you click on, you can actually use the preset options to apply animations. And also there is a few different snippets. So when you click on an object, you have the ability to change the order up or down, be able to lock the proportions of that image. So let's say if you want to proportionally size an image or unsize it, and if you were to move up or down the order of the objects with respect to other layers, duplicating objects and be able to replace and edit. And of course you have your undo and redo. So if you do certain actions, you can go back and undo and redo those. And then last but not least, you also have the zoom option on the very bottom right of your canvas at any time. That's an overview of the EWC Content Presenter. There's other videos that will walk you through different topics in more detail. Thank you.